I've been editing for a while because I'm a little behind on my videos. But I'm gonna get coffee because I am so tired.
No! No! No!
Dog match! Lola, you're so cute! Oh, there's Gruff. Go say hello, Gruff. Lola, we match! She's so cute. It's perfect. It fits perfectly! It fits you just like perfect! Oh! Come on, come on! Come on, Lola! Oh, he wants to go on a walk. So excited. Oh my goodness. I have to take those chairs down. Mom always wakes up at 8. It's 9:41. I don't understand what's happening. So, I am about to go to the store to get one of my friends a Christmas present, and then I'm going to be volunteering at the animal shelter. Smokey! Hi, hi! McDonald's! Okay, so I'm going into Barnes & Noble because I think Hannah would really like a book, but I don't know if I'll find something or not. Hey, buddy. He's so sweet. Hey. Yes, I hello. You're funny. Look how pretty he or she is. I didn't read the name. Oh, he's so fluffy. Look at her. She's so pretty. Yeah, you are. He's kind of scared. Got it. Get it. He's so funny. She's got a new toy. Cute he is. This tiny little guy. Now I'm gonna go home.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you today?
Hi, can I get a grande peppermint mocha?
这个菜包饺子，
Thank you.
我找他这个。
Alright, I'm going to bed. See you guys in the next vlog.